In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get 500 USDT airdrop for futures trading from Bybit. Now, before I go into this video, if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olanio. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Now, I'm not going to waste too much of your time. I'll just go straight to the point. Now, Bybit is currently doing a campaign where they are giving out $500 USDT airdrop to different users on their platform. And here's how you can also be part of it to get your own 500 USDT airdrop for futures trading from Bybit. Now, the first thing you want to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, or you check the pinned comment and click the link right there. So I'll put the link in the pinned comment and also in the description of this video. Now, once you click on the link, it will bring you to this page right here that you can see on the screen. So you can see it says 500 USDT position airdrop. New users registered under affiliate ID 41557 during the event will stand a chance to receive a position airdrop. So this means that you have to use my referral link to register to be part of this so that you can win your 500 USDT airdrop. So again, the link will be in the pinned comment of this video or in the description of this video. So that's my referral ID right there, which is 41557. Now, if you scroll down, you will see where you have airdrop process, and you see there are some steps or the process to claim your airdrop. But before that, you need to click on where you have register to claim. So you need to register on Bybit. Now, this is for only new users. So if you're an existing user, you can create another account or maybe a new account on Bybit for this. Or you can, if you know someone who doesn't have a Bybit account, you can tell the person to register and the person can claim this airdrop. So you click on register to claim right here. And then on the screen, you will see you are invited to Bybit. So you can go ahead and put in your email address, your password, and you see the referral code. So the referral code is automatically entered right there. And then you click on create account. So that's the first thing you need to do. So you need to click on register to claim and create a new Bybit account. Now, once you register, this is the airdrop process. So you can see the first step right here is to complete the airdrop task in your rewards hub. So what you want to do after you've registered, go to the Bybit app. So right here on the screen, I'm on the home page of the Bybit app, and then you come right here to where you are pointing to where you have rewards hub. Now, once you click on rewards hub, you'll be seeing it right there where it says 500 USDT airdrop, and then you will see the task you have to perform, which is to deposit at least $100. So that's the only task you need to do. So you create your account through the link, and then once you create your account, you deposit $100 in your account. Now, the $100 you can deposit through P2P, or you can transfer $100 from another crypto app to your Bybit account. And if you don't know how to do this, I have a video on how to deposit into your Bybit account through P2P. The link to that video will be in the description below. And also have a video on how you can transfer crypto from another app to your Bybit app. The link to that video will also be in the description below. So once you've deposited $100 in your account, that means you've completed the task. Now, the second step is claim airdrop voucher in rewards hub. So for this, you go back to your rewards hub after you've deposited $100, and then you will see where it says claim your $500 airdrop. So you click right there and claim your $500 airdrop, which you can now use for your futures trading or for your derivatives trading. And like I said, the third step right here is use airdrop voucher on trading page. So like I said, you can use it to trade. So just go to your futures trading page and then you take a trade on BTC USDT. That is a futures trade or derivatives trade. You take a trade using the amount you've just gotten. And then the next step is take profit. Profits are withdrawable. So once you take a trade, any profit you make from that trade, you can withdraw it. It is for you. So what this means is that the $500 you are getting is not what you can withdraw. It's for you to trade. So once you get the $500 and you use it to trade, you can withdraw the profit. Now, some of you might be saying, why can't they just give me the $500 and let me withdraw and use it to do whatever I like? Well, if you don't know, this is a very good opportunity for you to make free money for yourself, honestly, because they're actually giving you $500 trading capital for you to trade, and any profit you make on it is for you. And also, if you know your way around futures trading or derivatives trading and how to use leverage, you can use this $500 to make as high as $100, $200, $300 profit for yourself, which is actually free money for you. So if you don't know how to do futures trading or you don't know how to do derivatives trading on Bybit, I have a complete guide on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. The video guide you on how to do futures trading on Bybit and everything you need to know. Again, the link to that video will be in the description below. So don't see it as maybe they have to give you the $500 for you to withdraw. This is a good opportunity for you to get free capital to trade and take your profit for yourself. Now, before I end this video, let me talk about the terms and conditions of this airdrop. Now, as you can see right here, the terms and conditions. Number one is the position airdrop will be unlocked after completing the airdrop task in Rewards Hub. So again, you go to the Rewards Hub, you will see the task, which is to deposit at least $100. And once you've done that, you can now claim your position airdrop. I hope you understand. Number two is position airdrops are limited and given out on first come, first served basis. So if you want to claim this, make sure you do it immediately as in this video. Don't wait till tomorrow or 2 days later or a week later, because it is first come, first served. As you can see at the bottom side of the screen, this ends in 81 days right there. So you still have like more than 2 months. So that's almost 3 months. You have almost 3 months left. So you still have time. But it is given out on a first come, first served. So quickly do this. Click the link in the description or in the pinned comment and claim yours. Number three is 1 person airdrop per account per event. So you can't use more than 2 accounts with the same information to claim the airdrop. So just create only 1 new account and use it to claim the airdrop. Number 4 is sub accounts are not eligible for the event. So if you have any sub accounts, you can use it. And number 5 is Bybit reserves the right to disqualify any users who engage in dishonest or abusive activities during the event. So if you are trying to use maybe multiple accounts to claim the airdrop, they will definitely not give you the $500. So be careful. Just use 1 account. Number 6 is Bybit reserves the right to final interpretation of the position airdrop event. What this means that Bybit can decide to say, oh, you can't use this to trade, you can use it to do another thing. They have the right to do that, but they are definitely not going to do that. So you can actually use your $500 to trade. But this is just to put it on the terms and conditions. And number 7 is position airdrop vouchers can only be used in isolated margin mode. So if you are going to trade with this $500, you can only use isolated margin mode and not cross margin mode. No, we have isolated margin and cross margin. So for this, if you are trading with it, you can use cross margin. So these are the terms and conditions. Also, in case maybe you've made money and you want to withdraw your money, maybe you want to withdraw it to your bank account, I have a video on that, on how you can withdraw from Bybit to your bank account. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you want to join my Telegram group, the link to my Telegram group is in the description below also. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.